Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to start functions by events. So first let's create a bridge. But I will say one thing that I've already created a bridge. So as you see, this is the bridge part. Now I will show you in the game. Now as you see, here are the stairs and this is the bridge part where everything is going to happen here. And here are the stairs so I can go up and down. So now let's go to script and write what first we need to write. First, to make sure that you don't have, you need to make this anchor and all the stairs that you made. They're all anchor at me. So you also need to do them anchor. So then we write local buried. We did a mistake. Bridge part. We write bridge part. Like you will ask why local bridge part. I will explain you when I finish to write this code. Script parent. Like as you see, local bridge part. So we have over here bridge. So to call, we are going to change the bridge to bridge part in the script. So when we want to write anything about this bridge, we are going to write bridge part instead of bridge to call it. So it is because it is the parent of the script, so I wrote script parent. And then we are going to create a function, local function equals on touch and then we write print touch event fired. Like we are going to write, first of all we're going to write print because I want to check that if it is working. If it will work, then it is going to print touch event fired. Bridge part, then we write bridge part touch it. Two dots like this, connect on touch. And then we play. Wait. Oh, I accidentally wrote here equals, but I shouldn't wrote. So we delete this, now we play. And now let's see what will happen when we touch the bridge. Not the stairs, these are the stairs, but this is the bridge. So as is the touch event fired here over here. How many times I touch it? Set times it was written here like 15, 18. Ooh. So now let's stop. And then we need to delete this print because as we see it was working, so now we don't need this print. Now we are going to write bridge part point transparency equals 0.5. And then we write weight 0.5. And then we write bridge part put can collide equals false. Now let's see what will happen. So as we come and step on it, look what will happen. Whoop! We fall down because it is not collide and we cannot step on it anymore. I'm a normal person and I'm coming. Oh, there's a bridge. Let's pass it. It is impossible to pass it because there is no one part. So now let's come over here. Jump. Oh, we can jump easily. So now let's stop. So as you see in this video, we learned how to call functions by events. So this was all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.